I'm just mapping out day 2 now on visitfrasercoast.com, where you can plan your entire itinerary. So we're going to kick off with a big 4-wheel drive challenge at Ngkala Rocks. Then we are going to the jewel in Fraser Island's crown, Lake Mackenzie. And we're going to finish things off with a slice of luxury at the Kingfisher Bay Resort. This slim section of headland is what's known as Ngkala Rocks, a place that has seen many a 4-wheel driver before me get bogged, and in some cases even roll their vehicle. Coming up now to the very famous Ngkala Rocks, and this is treacherous point numero uno on Fraser Island, or Kagari. I've got to keep reminding myself of that. Now, it starts off with these wonderful bits of coffee rock. The challenge here is not too great. It's simply try not to hit the rocks. It's a skinny little chasm, and I like to do it in low range just for that throttle control on your vehicle. But it's really not a major challenge. And then you come up to a wee bit of water, and that again is not a great challenge. The real challenge comes out the other side when you hit this really meaty, sort of steep, usually really soft stretch of sand, and that is what really brings people unstuck. Often 2 cars will come at the same time, they'll have to stop, and when they try and get out of there, they get horribly bogged, and out come the exit tracks and out come the winches, and it can be a little bit of a bottleneck on the island because it's a 1-lane track. And I can see straight away that people have really hit the berries through here. And you do need a little bit of momentum coming through here, but at the moment, this time of season, it is not too difficult. But it is the sort of thing that does catch people unawares. If you've got a vehicle with overactive traction control and you haven't turned it off or turned it onto the right mode, this is the spot that you can really come unstuck. And it's quite long, this, so if you lose your momentum, if you button off the accelerator as you're coming through here, that's when you could also get bogged. When it has had some rain, then it's really not too much of a challenge, like right now. But the hotter times of the year, the sand can get incredibly powdery and soft, and then you will have untold issues trying to get through this Ngkala Rocks bypass. She's bouncy and bumpy. You don't need to take it too fast, otherwise you're just going to damage your vehicle. You can see my vehicle rocking around at the moment, and that is because there's a lot of traffic that comes through here, and often people may have the wrong tyre pressures and they'll dig holes and create all sorts of issues. So there you go, folks. That is your quick guide to Ngkala. This off-road driving tip is brought to you by the Ford Ranger and Ford Everest.